Today we're going to talk about adding and subtracting similar rational algebraic expression. In doing this is just like adding and subtracting similar rational numbers, in which we're going to copy the common denominator, then add the numerator. Okay, I have here example number 1. So for this example, as I said, you just copy the denominator. Okay, that is x minus 5, then combine the numerator or add the numerator. This is equals to 10 over x minus 5. So that's the answer. The next is this one. The same, no? You just copy the common denominator, then combine the numerator. Then x minus 2 is equals to 2x minus 4 over x minus 1. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, next, this one. Number 3. For number 3, the same, no, because they are the same denominator. You just copy the common denominator, then combine the numerator. X squared minus 2x minus 7 plus 3x plus 1. Okay, then next is combine all like terms. That is x squared, then negative 2x plus 3x, that is positive x. Then this one negative 7 and positive 1, that is negative 6. All over x squared minus 9. So as you can see, this is not the final answer. We're going to find first what are the factor of this numerator and denominator. For our numerator, as you can see, this is trinomial. But you notice that the numerical quotient of the first term is 1. So we will use the procedure where a is equals to 1. So we'll focus on this one. So our last term is negative 6. If it is negative 6, what is the factor? That is negative 2, and 3. So if we're going to add negative 2 and positive 3, that is 1, which is equals to the middle term. Okay, from that, since it is under that one, a equals to 1, meaning you just write 2 parentheses. Then distribute the square root of the first term, x squared, x, then x. Then we will use this one, minus 2, negative 2, and positive 3. All over the factor of this one. What is the factor of this one? What method? That is the difference of 2 square, because we can square this one and this one. Okay. We will form 2 parentheses. So what is the square root of x squared? That is x, distribute. Then the sign here is opposite sign. The square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 9 is 3. So after that, you cancel out common expression. Here we have this and this. So the remaining is x minus 2 over x minus 3. This is the answer now. Okay, for number 4, we have this one, no? The same x minus 2 minus 1. Then combine the upper part. X squared plus 3x plus 2 plus x squared minus 2x minus 3. Then combine this x squared plus x squared, is 2x squared. And then 3x minus 2x, that is positive x. Then 2, positive 2, then negative 3, that is negative 1. All over x squared minus 1. So after that, we're going to factor this one. Okay. What is the factor of this one? So as you can see, this can be factor using trinomial, which where a is greater than 1. So we will multiply this one. This is 2 times negative 1, that is negative times negative 1, that is negative 2. The factor of this is 2 and negative 1. Okay, we will use this one as in the place of x, positive x. So we will write 2x squared plus 2x minus x minus 1. Then solve it by grouping. So what is the common factor of this? 2. Then for the variable is x. So 2x squared divided by 2 is, that is x is 1 plus 1. For this one, the quotient of this one should be equals to this one. So what number that could be divided by this number in order to get this product or this quotient? That is negative 1. So negative x divided by negative 1, that is x. 1 divided by negative 1, that is positive 1. Then after that one, take out the common. This is x plus 1 and this one, 2x minus 1. So that is the factor. That is the factor of this numerator. Okay, numerator. Then x copy plus 1 times 2x minus 1 all over the factor of this one. So as you can see, this is can be factored using the difference of 2 square. So we just write 2 parentheses, then square root of x squared is x, then square root of 1 is negative 1, then here opposite positive 1. Then after that, cancel out common. So what are common here? The common is this one and this one. And the remaining is 2x minus 1 over x minus 1. So this is the answer now. Okay. Next, number 5. For number 5 is different from previous because the operation is subtraction. Before is addition. So now we are going to the subtraction operation. So the same procedure, you copy the denominator 4x minus 1, then subtract the numerator. So the answer is 2 over 4x minus 1. That's the answer. Okay, next, number 6. So we'll just write the common denominator x squared plus 2x plus 1. Then we will combine, not combine, subtract the numerator. So this is x squared plus 3x plus 1 plus 2. Okay, before I subtract that one, I will simplify this part here. So that is minus 3x plus 3. So that will become x squared plus 3x plus 2 x times negative times positive 3x, that is negative 3x, then negative times positive 3, that is negative 3, all over x squared plus 3x plus 2, sorry, the denominator, okay, that is x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, after that, you combine. combine like terms. So x squared, do we have x squared here? Nothing, so we'll just write x squared. Then 3x and 3x is cancelled out because they are the same but opposite sides, so subtract. Then for this one, 2 minus 2, positive 2 and negative 3, that is negative 1 all over x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, then after we will factor this out. For numerator, this is difference of 2 squares, so we'll just write 2 parentheses. This x minus 1, then x plus 1. For our denominator, we have this one. So this is we can solve this using the trinomial factoring with a equals to 1. So we'll just write 2 parentheses. Okay, x, then distribute x, also x, then 1 plus 1, then plus 1. Why this is doing so? Because when we find the square root of this one is this one, and this one, the square root of 1 is 1 times 1, so minus siya. Okay, after that, cancel out common terms, this one and this one. So the remaining is x minus 1 over x plus 1. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, this one, the common here is, the first move is to the given, for number 7 is somewhat tricky. Now we have to solve this one by copying the denominator first, which is 3x squared plus x minus 2. Then combine or simplify first the numerator, x squared plus 5x minus 20 minus negative 10, negative 6x, negative 5 squared. Okay, next is simplify the numerator, x squared plus 5x minus 20 negative times negative 10, that is positive 10. Then this one, positive 6x. Then this one, negative and negative 5x squared is positive 5x squared all over 3x squared plus x minus 2. Then after that, combine all like terms. That is 6x squared. For this one, 5x and 6x, that is positive 11x. Negative 20 and positive 10, that is negative 10. All over 3x squared plus x minus 2. Okay. Next, we're going to find the factor of our numerator. So we will just multiply this one and this one, that is negative 60. The factor of negative 60 are negative 2 times 30, negative 3 times 20, and negative 4 times 15. So if we're going to add this one, this is equals to 11. So this is the factor which is equals to this one. So we'll use that one to factor this out. So right here as we go after. Okay, that is 6x squared plus 15x minus 4x minus 10. Then combine. Then what is the factor of 6 and 3? That is 3. For variable is x. So 6x squared divided by 3x, that is x, 2x. Then this one 15x divided by 3x, that is positive 5. For here, that is 2. So 4x divided by 2, that is 2x. This one, then divided by negative 2, that is negative 5. So we will write the common 2x plus 5 quantity 3x minus 2. So that is now our factor for our numerator. 2x plus 5 quantity 3x minus 2 all over the factor of the denominator. For the denominator, we have this one. We can multiply this one. We can factor this one using trinomial, no? Trinomial factoring. So we multiply this one. 3 times 2, that is negative 6. So negative 6, the factor is 2. The factor is 2 and 3. So we will make negative for 2 in order to get the middle term. Okay. So we will write the denominator 3x squared, then positive 3x and negative 2x, then negative 2. They combine group. So what is the common factor of this one? Is 3 for the numeric, then x for the variable. Okay, 3x squared divided by 3x, that is x. Then 3x divided by 3x is positive 1. For this, that is negative 2. Negative 2 is divided by negative 2, that is x. For negative 2 divided by negative 2, that is positive 1. So this is x plus 1. Then 3x minus 2. So we'll write this here. Plus 1. Then 3x minus 2. So cancel out common. So the answer is 2x plus 5 over x plus 1. This is the answer. Okay. So as you can see, the difference between adding similar rational algebraic expression and the subtraction of similar rational algebraic expression. So as you can see that our example is having a different level. So if you have time to review this video in order to master this process, you can do it. It's up to you. What I am here doing is just showing you what is the process of doing this, this operation. So I hope that this video would help you a lot in your mathematics subjects. And for now, thank you for watching my video and wait for my next video regarding adding, subtracting rational, similar rational algebraic expression. So as you can see, this is a similar rational algebraic expression. But for the next video, it is all about the similar, adding and subtracting the similar rational algebraic expression. Okay, by now, goodbye and take good care. God bless us all. See you next time. Thank you.